Let's see, get the sign, God bless Olongapo. That's pretty neat. Yes. And we want to go toward Olongapo Central, downtown, so we'll head this way. I believe this is we'll be hitting Magsaysay up here shortly. This is the actual traffic circle down here at the end of Magsaysay, and that's where I just came from. And you got this beautiful statue. I think this has been here for a long time. And we will head on down this way, at least. Actually down, if I can make it down to the bus station. See where that goes. These old buildings. I think I'd call this video my walking tour of Olongapo City. I gotta come up with some name for it. I mean, I always do these walks, kind of like boots on the ground, gives me an idea where I'm at, how the people are, and it's always good to do because you're really up close to what's going on. By riding around in actual Olongapo City National High School. Which is right here. I'm definitely gonna have to stop somewhere and get some water. Back on the other side, a little bit cooler over here. I believe this is one of the bridges. Really busy here. I go down and hit that other street. Wow, what a busy street. See if I can get across. And I believe the bus station is up this way. Had to take this little side street to kind of beat that traffic. It's got a little bit thick there. See, coming up to the another area, the main street. this way. Now that is the road. If you want to go to the Barrio Barreto, you would go up that way towards Subic City. But I don't want to go that way just yet. So this is kind of known as Olongapo City proper. And there is the Victory Liner station. Fried fish. Just like any traffic in the Philippines, it's really busy. Now here's a better view of that traffic circle statue. And that road right there goes out to Subic City, Zambales, Barrio Barreto. You keep going up this Magsaysay, will take you all the way to the Subic Freeport. And then Victory Liner is actually right behind me. This way. A lot of Jeeps. Icon of the Philippines, I believe. Take a walk down this busy area. Get on the outside. Definitely got to have traffic directors around here. Please consider subscribing. I love traveling adventures, and I definitely have one on today here in Olongapo. Across the street is the Olongapo City Public Market, and I'm really looking forward to actually going and exploring that market. Maybe I'll go there tomorrow and focus on that Palenque. That'll be really exciting. So we will head back this way and make my way back toward the let's see, let's check this right up here. So this is Dr. Jose P. Ritzel, The Last Farewell. Where I'm at right now. See it. Triangle Park, Olongapo City. Belongs to the public. Let us all take good care of it. Kate H. Gordon, City Mayor. And this is the actual Triangle Park. A lot of folks hanging out here playing chess. But I really like this statue. Very neat. So I'm going to make my way back around and head down this other street, make a left, and see what's down this way. Obviously there's a lot to cover. Another busy street area here in Olongapo City, and let's go check it out. This is really fun adventure. A lot of street food out here, that's for sure. Got a basketball stadium here to the left. And, I think I'm going to go down to the, come up to the traffic circle and make it right. And continue that way and see where I'm going. Heading back up here, and we'll check out more areas here in Olongapo. See it. You can see how really busy it gets down here at the bus station, which is right over there. A lot of fast food, like quick food, plenty of vendor stands, and a lot of Jeeps. See what they got here. I'm gonna come back down this way again. Thank you very much for following me along, and it's really cool to be down here and checking this line of Jeeps. Gate. Back. Now I'm heading back up Magsaysay toward the Rizal Gate. I'm inside a trike here in Olongapo City. Take a little trike ride up north so I kind of cut down the walking time. Magsaysay. Check it out. A little shortcut with this tricycle. This is pretty much the mode of transportation. Very inexpensive too. enough. Thank you. Here you go, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Salamat po.
All right.
What's your name?
I'm Romy.
Roy?
Romy. Romy.
Romy. Thanks, Romy.
Okay, see you later.
Thank you. Just got a ride with Romy on the tricycle, and now I'm going to head back up the side. So this is the end of this video here of my walking tour of Olongapo City, and it's been really cool. I mean, one of the best things you can do is actually get boots on the ground and actually walk around and see what's going on. And I hope you enjoyed it. It's really fun, and I will cover a lot more areas here in Subic area and also out here in Olongapo. And this is the ending shot here of Magsaysay. And I hope to see you in my next video. So see ya.